Hey crafty friends, happy Friday. I'm Carla from Carla Arlene Creations and we are continuing on our Summerween projects. Today I have a new Summerween project for you. It's actually a hidden paperclip project and it's a very simple project. I thought it would be a great one to introduce to you today since this is a holiday weekend. So let's get started and I'll show you how to assemble it. Okay, so I put together, there are actually 5 hidden paper clips in this, and I put 3 of them together, so I left 2 of them so I could show you how to do it. So we're just going to start off with the big doily looking piece of paper, and we're going to fold it in half. Like this. And then I'm also going to take one of our inner papers and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm using smaller paper clips for this project because it is a smaller hidden paper clip. I'm actually using Pen & Gear paper clips that I got at Walmart. So I'm just going to put a paper clip on here like this, and then I'm going to get my glue and I'm going to put some glue on this side, and then I'm going to put this in here in the center and let it dry before I put glue on the other side. So I'm going to just clip this down like that, and while that's drying we're going to fold this one. And I'm going to fold this little piece. And add our paper clip, and we're going to do the same thing with this one. We're just going to put some glue around the edges. Try not to get glue on yourself. And then we're going to stick this one in the middle, and I'm going to clip it like that. So while those two are drying a little bit, I'm going to take my little doily pieces, and they're different colors, and I'm going to fold them in half just so that they're ready for the next step. I'm going to check on this. Oh yeah, now we can put some, we'll put some glue on this side. And just clip them again. Doesn't take long. Let's see what this one's like. Yep. So I'm going to put some glue on this side. And while we're waiting for those to dry, which like I said shouldn't take long, I'm going to show you the other ones that I made. There's this one, a little cat coming out of a pumpkin, and he says perfectly spooky on the back. And then we have our chef spider, and she says sweet spells. And we have our candy corn ghost, and she has Boo Sweet on the back, and then a regular ghost, and she has witchy wishes. And the nice part is these are great. You can use them in your journals, scrapbooks, planners. I'm going to pull my planner over here, and I'm just going to show you, all you have to do is take this and see, and I think they're very, very cute. So yeah, you can just paper clip things together. And let's see here how we're doing. Oh yeah, I think we're okay. So what I'm going to do, and it really doesn't matter which color goes on which background. I gave you, I think it was 2 white, 2 cream, and 3 black, so it really doesn't matter. So we're just going to put some glue on the back of this, and then we're going to fold this over and glue that on. And while that's gluing, we're just going to add these little pieces on, and all I did was put glue on the back of them. You could even use foam dots on the back if you wanted to give them a little dimension. And you can mix and match which sayings go with which one. I just kind of matched them up. This one says "Batty for Candy," and since this is a bat, as you can see, it's a very cute bat, and it actually has some candy. It has a piece of candy corn, although I am not a candy corn person. But I think it's cute to use for Halloween decorations, so that's fine. So since that one's dry, I'm going to bet this one's dry. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put some glue on the back of this. And we're going to center it as best as possible, and then adhere it. And now we can put some glue on the back of this little guy. And on the back of this. There we go. And there's our little pumpkin guy. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make my Halloween hidden paper clips. You'll find that there are actually 6 different designs, not 5 like I thought, and I did 3 on black and 3 on cream, which you can do the same, or you can make them all on black or all on cream. You can find the link below in the video description as to where you can download the Halloween hidden paper clips. And I look forward to crafting with you again. Happy crafting!